We all know that remodeling can be expensive, or for that matter, even new construction is expensive, especially when done right. So it is super important that you decide to do this process with a company that you feel comfortable with and that you trust, because there is a long process of evaluations, of talking, of decision making, and if you're not comfortable with the company that you are doing the remodeling project with, that could be a very long time of not having a good time. Ultimately, it is your decision who you want to select, but the couple things that you need to consider are the following. You need to have a designer that is experienced not only in the books but also on the field, because there is many things that in the software they can be okay, and as we draw items and as we put decoration into the software will allow us to do it just because it will allow us to do it. But that doesn't mean that it would work on site. So having a designer that knows what to watch out for or prepare for a potential option 2 on site is super important. It will save you frustration, it will save you money, and obviously will save time to everybody. The next thing that you need to watch out or make sure you select right is a company that knows all the ins and outs before any of the project actually started. So again, it goes back to the knowledge of the know-how. There is a big difference between the books and the experience on site. We have them both. So with that, as we go through the process, you will hear me talking to you about, yes, option A, but just in case, option B will be this, because we don't know until we go and do demo or we get into the project and we may have variations. I will always be prepared for an option B, sometime even option C. In this particular moment, we are experiencing to some degree product shortage. And again, it's very important to work with someone that will understand that in this time frame, they have to be prepared that the product won't come on time or it will come more expensive, and they have to be able to give you very quick possibility to switch items that will flow right into the remaining selection that you did instead of having to redo all of it. Again, that is the know-how. It's not teachable. It's you have it or you don't have it. But you need to make sure that whoever you select knows how to do that, because it will save you money. It will save you frustration. Ultimately, I do respect people that do want to do some of the work themselves, and I'm not saying that all of the people don't know how to do some items, but look, there is a reason why we have went to schools. There is a reason why we have years and years of learning and trying different things, and until we created the system of how this actually works and why that system is successful. So trust the process, trust our talent, and let us do our work. As we go through the project, we may decide that you can do some small little things. If you absolutely want to be handy in it, no problem with that. But let us do the major thing, because we know how, and in that way you don't have to sweat it, we don't have to sweat it. So back to recap, it's super important to go with someone that has book and on-field knowledge of how all this is going to be done, and expectations on site of how we are going to maneuver from the main plane A to potential plane B. Always on point, always watching to make sure that the project go flawless and on the most possible timely manner and with the least extra budget needed.